Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create and log in to AliExpress. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright guys, on your Play Store or App Store, go ahead and click into that app and then click on search. And then in search, type in AliExpress. And then click on AliExpress. It's got over 500 million downloads and 4.4 star rating. So go ahead and download AliExpress. Give that a few moments to do so, and then I'll pause this video and get back to you once this has been downloaded and installed onto my device. Alright, now I can go ahead and open up the app. So click on open. Alright, so then you'll come to this page here. So we'll use this to show items and services available in your region. So I've chosen Australia, and now here, this is where you can put in your email or even continue with Google, Facebook or X. So for this demonstration, I'm going to continue with Google to sign up. So I'm going to pick my email address, which is here, then click on OK. Now this is going to sign me up and log in. Alright, I'm going to click on continue. Give this a few moments to load. Alright, I picked Australia, got to do it again for some reason. Alright, and that's it guys, I've now logged in to AliExpress. A few pop-ups will appear once you're inside, that's normal. I'm going to click on don't allow, and as you can see, I am logged in. Alright guys, that's it for this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.